I know homemade can be better, but homemade bone meal seems more input than it is worth it. And maybe it's better to go buy. Is it better to buy it? Can I make it? What do you think?
Okay, yes, there is a lot of energy in making your own bone meal. People will do this. However, there's a process in which you've got to clean. Let's say we're taking chicken bones and turning them into bone meal. If you're vegan, vegetarian, don't believe in that type of utilization of fertilizer or minerals into your garden, this does not apply to you. You take and clean all the meat off the bone.
They have to be really, really clean.
And then you cook them in the oven. And
first you boil them.
Boil them, then you cook them.
Yeah.
And then you grind them up to a powder, and then you have your bone meal. There's a lot of energy input whenever you could go and spend, let's say, $12 for a pound or 2 pounds of bone meal that is already processed. Now, again, you don't know where how that has been processed. You don't know any of that information in regards to what it is, what was, all that stuff. So it's just too much work for me to think that would be something that would be beneficial.
Especially, wanting to getting all the meat off, which probably isn't that hard.
You're using energy for the heat. Right. You're using energy to cook it.
Right.
You're using energy to grind it up.
And then you have to do all of this. And you may have time to do all of it, but you still have to do all of this and make sure you are grinding them enough because, your food processor might not grind them
and bone meal is the ground up
right.
of bones from the butchering industry. That's what it is. I mean, and blood meal is what it is. That's what it is. So yeah.